Hello, my dear friends. How are you? How did you spend your summer holidays? You are welcome. Let's start our first English lesson. Module number 1, Our World. The theme of our lesson is everyday objects. The aims of this lesson: to learn about quantities of things people use, to practice using quantity word and expression. Some, any, no, much, many, a lot of, a little, a few. And now look at this picture. What do you see? Yes, of course, these are household items. For example, ironing board, dustpan, match, calendar, fan, rubber gloves, tablecloths. Okay, and now answer my questions. What items do you use every day? And which of these things do you carry when you go out? For example, I use iron every day. I carry needle when I go out. Please, your answer.
Feather duster. Feather duster. Recycling bin. Recycling bin. Oven cleaner. Oven cleaner. Rubber gloves. Rubber gloves. Steel wool soap pads. Steel wool soap pads. Rags. Rags. Stepladder. Stepladder. Glass cleaner. Glass cleaner. Squeegee. Squeegee. Broom. Broom. Dustpan. Dustpan. Trash bags. Trash bags. Vacuum cleaner. Vacuum cleaner. Vacuum cleaner attachments. Vacuum cleaner attachments. Vacuum cleaner bag. Vacuum cleaner bag. Wet mop. Wet mop. Dust mop. Dust mop. Furniture polish. Furniture polish. Scrub brush. Scrub brush. Bucket. Bucket. Dishwashing liquid. Dishwashing liquid. Dish towel. Dish towel. Cleanser. Cleanser. Sponge. Sponge.
And now, open your books at page 8, exercise number 1. Let's practice. Match the words in the boxes with the photos 1 to 10. For example, a can of fizzy drink.
5. Unit 1. Vocabulary and Language Focus. Exercise 1. 1.
A can of fizzy drink.
2.
A bottle of shampoo.
3.
A roll of toilet paper.
4.
A box of washing powder.
5.
A packet of crisps.
6.
A bag of apples.
7.
A bar of chocolate.
8.
A jar of coffee.
9.
A tube of toothpaste.
10.
A carton of juice.
And today we shall have grammar, some, any, much, many, a few, a lot of.
With uncountable nouns, well, these refer to something that can't be counted and they don't normally have a plural form. Some exceptions though are drinks. If I'm in a restaurant and I ask for 2 coffees, well, I'm really asking for 2 cups of coffee. That's why I can say 2 coffees with the plural. If I ask for 2 sugars in my tea, well, we really know that I'm asking for 2 sachets or 2 cubes of sugar in my tea. So on their own, we can't use them as plurals. So the uncountable nouns go with much, and much is something we tend to use in the interrogative or the negative form. I don't have much water. Do you have much homework? And the countables go with many. We can use this affirmative, negative, and interrogative. I have many apples. I don't have many windows. There aren't many girls, which is never normally a problem. So for the affirmative, much especially can sound incredibly formal. I have much water. Ooh, it sounds a bit too much. So instead of saying much in the affirmative, I would use a lot of water. I have a lot of water. I have lots of water. Many, on the other hand, is more widely used with the affirmative. So I have many apples. I have a lot of apples. They're more or less the same in this case.
Open your books at page 9, exercise 5. Read the sentences. Are the nouns countable or uncountable? Use much, many, a lot of, some, any. For example, how much chocolate do you eat? Complete the table with the words in blue. For example, uncountable nouns, we use how much or not much. With countable nouns, we use how many, not many. Choose the correct words. Do you eat much or many cheese? How do you think? Cheese, uncountable, and we use much. Yes, of course, you are correct. Do you eat much cheese? Okay, let's conclude our lesson. What you have learned today's lesson? Yes, Today we have learned about everyday objects and we have done grammar exercises. Please compare quantities of things people use. Why do people use these items? How do you think? Very nice. So, your home task, exercise number 2 at page 8 in your workbook. Open your notebooks and write down your home task. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye. See you soon.